Looking for the best smart curtain opener but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best smart curtain opener based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Jiisquilyx CL6GZY0331 Smart Electric Curtain Opener Bluetooth Remote 20 range, 4000 mAh Type-C battery 6-month runtime, compatible Roman TU tracks, easy installation. Imagine waking up on a lazy Sunday morning, and as you roll out of bed, you hit the snooze button to let the sunlight slowly creep into your bedroom, but then you remember you have a meeting at the office in an hour, and you quickly flip the switch to quiet mode on your smart curtain opener, and with a soft whoosh, your heavy drapes glide open, revealing a bright morning, and you can't help but feel a sense of convenience and control with this versatile device that effortlessly handles thick curtains, offers extended battery life, and runs quietly in the right mode for the job, making it a perfect fit for homeowners who value ease and practicality. And I've got to say, this smart curtain opener is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their daily routine. Number 4. Suwukata Automatic Curtain Opener. Imagine waking up to a perfectly lit room every morning, without ever getting out of bed. That's what this smart curtain system offers. With its RF remote control, I can effortlessly adjust the light and temperature in my bedroom, even from across the room, without the hassle of Bluetooth disconnections. Plus, I can control it with my voice or through the app, making it perfect for busy mornings. The system is also super versatile, supporting multiple track types and easy installation, so I can use it in my office or renovate my old house with ease. And with its silent mode and high torque mode, I can choose between a quiet, gentle open or a powerful, heavy-duty lift. It's the ultimate in control and convenience. Number 3. ORYZIC ACT-by02 Curtain Robot, Bluetooth. This product is perfect for homeowners with existing smart home systems who want seamless integration and remote control over their automated garage doors. It boasts high compatibility with a wide range of track types, eliminating the need for rewiring, and a fast setup process that takes just minutes via Bluetooth. With its quiet yet strong performance, reaching up to 8 kilograms of pushing force at a mere 65 dB noise level, it's ideal for those who value convenience and minimal disruption. The rechargeable battery and comprehensive app and voice assistant support make it a convenient addition to any smart home setup. Number 2. PandaTOP ZDCLJ01 Automatic Curtain Opener Smart Curtain Opener. This smart curtain opener takes convenience to a whole new level with its seamless Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to effortlessly manage your daily routines from the comfort of your phone. No more fumbling for a separate remote or worrying about remembering to close those curtains at night. Perfect for anyone who wants to upgrade their home with smart technology, especially busy homeowners or parents who need to balance work and family life. With its strong smooth glide mechanism and quiet operation, you'll be amazed at how effortlessly it moves even the heaviest curtains. And with long battery life and a rechargeable battery, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing it'll keep working for months to come. Number 1. Jiisquilyx CL4GZY0331 Smart Curtains Opener Bluetooth Device. If you're tired of struggling with stubborn curtains or heavy drapery, this smart curtain opener is a total game changer. It's a breeze to install, even for non-professionals, and features a powerful motor that can handle anything from single-layer to multi-layered curtains, making it perfect for busy households, especially those with older family members or DIY enthusiasts. With its long-lasting 4000 mAh rechargeable battery and fast Type-C charging, you can enjoy up to 6 months of continuous use per charge, significantly reducing maintenance efforts. Plus, its versatility shines with compatibility across multiple track systems, including Roman rods, T-type, and U-type tracks, and the option to switch between silent mode and power mode, making it suitable for bedrooms, commercial spaces, or anywhere in between. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.